because there's no post on Sundays.
Right you are, Harry.
So if you are familiar with this scene, then I have a similar story for you because it was Sunday. I needed to do some work. I was busy all week. Had to do this work on Sunday. Had to get it done. So I went to work, went to sort it all out, started up doing my thing, and then the neighbor got angry. Anyways, my lovely Sunday started very nicely. Check it out. Why he is busy loving everyone. It's easier said than done. Hearts, to yourself be true. This is the real scourge of the world right here. This little traffic light here. Guy in the middle. Yeah. I hate them so much because even though there's no cars, you still have to wait. Say there's no car, you're still waiting 2 minutes. Car smells though. I have to put some water in there. Anyway, I got 45 seconds. One car's come past. You know what I'm saying? There it is. Too much wind today. We will get that cup of coffee. And that is, my friends, that is, my friends, coffee. Oh, I'm doing so badly. Coffee. I'll smash this coffee and then I'll be ready to do some work. It's Sunday, doing some work today. We are preparing this house for the real estate agent who's coming on Wednesday, so we have to make it look nice and clean. My jobs today are finally doing a final cleanup upstairs, like window sills, floors, dirt, and then I will start with cutting the grass, but the grass is so long, so either it's going to make a great time lapse or I don't know. And I have like one electric like brush cutter, whippersnipper we call them in Australia, so we will see how it turns out. Cool. I hate these things, man. Wait, I think I got it. Take two. That's not really working for me. Look how long grass is. Okay, I'm gonna try the petrol one.
So I'd finally got the machine started and things were starting to make a little progress. But then come along the neighbor. And for some reason, I've never even heard of this in my whole life. But you can't make loud noises on Sunday. Now, the Czech word for Sunday is neděle, which means no work, or kind of like doing nothing. But, come on, it's 2023.
It's Sunday. The neighbors, I don't think, they don't like the noise. That's annoying. Apparently can't work on Sundays. What a lie. I was quite annoyed at this point. So like I had a little bit of trouble with the brush cutter cutting the grass. Then I got it started. I was in a rhythm. It was happening, and then it just got ruined, all pulled from beneath me again. So annoying. But you know, I don't understand that much Czech, but I did understand like Pondeli, Uteri, Čtvrtek. Wait, is that the days of the month? Čtvrtek. No, Streda, Čtvrtek, Pátek, Sobotu, Neděli ne, which means like Sunday no. Sunday no. He was very angry about it. But anyways, that's I looked it up on the website, and you know, it's not actually the law. Like once upon a time, yes, it probably was part of the law, and some small local laws in small villages. Yes, you cannot make loud noises on Sunday. But this village in particular, the neighbor, they must ask you to turn this thing off. He didn't ask us. He was very demanding, very angry, and just an all-round jerk. So, I guess for anyone who doesn't know Czech Republic very well, don't do anything on Sundays because you will get in trouble. Boom. See you next time. Friends, I hope you enjoyed the content. We're going to be doing some fun stuff this summer. The weather is looking amazing so far. Like, such a beautiful time to be out and about. And I want to come and visit some people in some different villages. So if you live in Bezenec, you have something cool that we can do, let's make a video about it. Or if you live in a village very close, let me know. We can do something cool about it as well. I want to catch up with you. So, yeah, let me know in the comments. Make sure to like and subscribe, bang, and yeah, catch you next time, friends.